you?
Uncle Rich.
Who else?
Doctor.
No, that's not. Royce and Reese, the baby in the tummy.
I had a baby tummy.
No, that's food.
No. My baby tummy's cute.
Mm-hmm. What are you gonna say to Tita Tin? What are you doing? Don't pull those. Those are the sign. Come here. Look, a flower. It's pretty. You like it? Do you like it? Huh? No? Yes?
Ouch!
What are you gonna say to Royce? Look, Royce is here. What are you gonna say to Royce?
Thank you, Royce.
What else? Aside from thank you, Royce, what else do you wanna tell him? Hide, hide. What else are you gonna say?